Welcome to the Knot Shop, where chaos meets creativity and knots are always in style. Glass floats are still rolling in. Time to wrap them up in some fancy nets before they escape. And over here, we're tie-dyeing sailor knot bracelets. Because if your wrists aren't as colorful as the sunset, are you even living? And what is going on over here? This mountain of scrap rope, we're turning it into bracelets because waste not, want not. Have a heart. Need a dog leash? We're cutting rope like it's going out of style. And it wouldn't be March without shamrock wreaths. Luck of the Irish? Nah, it's the skill of the knotters. And don't forget the shamrock pins, because life's a little better when you're all tied up. All happening today at the Knot Shop. Stop by and maybe get tied up in the fun.